Nearly all winches have these little grease nipples, and they're very important. They lubricate some important components inside. So I'm going to take it apart now a bit and show you what's going on. But first of all, I'll just put this up on the bench and make it easy for myself. I'm just going to remove these components here of the winch and show you some of the more important bits. So this is the clutch I'm removing now. Obviously I've pre-stripped all this down so it easily comes apart. I've got the clutch off now, which exposes the shaft and the deck plate. In the deck plate you can clearly see here there's a seal. Now, this seal is very important. This keeps out the salt and the sand and debris, which protects the bearings underneath. Now what happens if you haven't got enough grease in here? It allows also salt water to go in, which then causes the shaft to seize in the deck plate. And unfortunately this one has done that as well, and I had to cut it out of the boat to remove it. We'll have a bit of a talk about now how to prevent this happening. What kind of maintenance we need to do? Well, I'm thinking to myself, about 3 to 5 years, you need to completely strip one of these winches down. It's a bit of a big job, probably something for a professional, but what can you do in between? Well, the most important thing is keep the grease up to it. So I reckon twice a year is a good average, and I reckon you want to give it a good 5 to 10 pumps of grease in your grease nipple. That should see you through, keep the dirt, the dust, the sand, everything out of those seals and those bearings, and keep everything working free. So see you later, and safe boating.